5-asset strategy for surviving an economic collapse. You see, the source argues that during major crises, your normal bank deposits and stocks, they literally just freeze.
So what happens when it all stops? To prep, they outline the specific 5-asset survival budget. Let's look.
The whole philosophy is super simple. Trade those vulnerable paper claims for real, tangible things holding universal value. First up, physical gold and silver. And yeah, you've got to hold these securely yourself, completely outside the banking system. Notice how they work differently, though. Gold preserves your big wealth, while silver, that's for everyday crisis shopping. The recommendation here is a 70-30 split. Build that physical stockpile with 70% gold and 30% silver. Next, let's talk cash. If a bank holiday hits, your normal savings could become totally inaccessible overnight. Scary, right? The workaround is short-term treasury bills. You buy them directly from the government, totally bypassing retail banks. Asset 3 is debt-free property. When systems break down, leverage and mortgages become massive, literally dangerous liabilities. Got water and space to grow food on that paid-off land? Well, then you've got the ultimate self-sufficiency. But hey, you can't eat your stock portfolio, right? You absolutely need a stackable, long-term food and water supply. They strongly suggest locking down a 6-month to 2-year stash of essentials way before supply chains start failing. Here's the kicker. Holding physical food actually protects your purchasing power against crazy hyperinflation. It's a real game changer. Just focus on calorie-dense, long-lasting foods and really solid water filtration to guarantee your family's personal security. Okay, the final asset. You actually can't buy it. You have to build high-demand, barterable skills yourself. In a post-currency barter economy, having real tangible skills like medical aid or mechanical repair becomes insanely valuable. Combine those skills with stockpiled utility items, think heirloom seeds or hand tools, to easily trade for your necessities. So, knowing a total system breakdown could actually happen, what tangible survival skill are you going to learn today?